Hello everyone, this is my review of the Fitcam's 4K dash cam and rear cam for the 2024 to 2025 Toyota Tacoma. This dash cam doesn't look bulky or clutter the interior, and it fits perfectly. You can first see what my Tacoma looks like from the factory before the camera installation. Then you can see how clean it looks after the camera installation. It blends right in with the factory setup behind the mirror, so you don't even notice it's there. The video quality is really sharp. It records in 4K, so you can clearly see details like cars, signs, and everything going on around you. I also like how easy it is to install. It's basically plug and play, no running wires unless you also install the rear camera. The app is a big plus. You can connect your phone and view footage or download clips whenever you need to. Another thing I notice is that it records automatically when you start the car, and it has a loop recording, so you don't have to keep managing storage. Overall, it just gives you peace of mind without altering your truck's look. If you want a dash cam that looks factory installed, records clearly, and is easy to use, this is definitely a solid option. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.